Hello, I'm Prerna. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing how to get this Sonam Kapoor look using your existing sari. Starting with what you will need. A sari, preferably in a lightweight fabric which is easy to drape and handle. Second, a similar dupatta. For me, I already had this green dupatta and I found this complementing sari from my mom's wardrobe. The two greens match perfectly and this is exactly what you should be looking for while recreating this look. I'm wearing my off-shoulder corset top as a blouse since it has similar gold tones as on the dupatta. Next, how to drape this. I'm starting with wearing my blouse and the underskirt. I've tucked in the sari in one full round. Now we will take the other end of the sari and start pleating it. Adjust the plaits, pin the end. Then take this from the back and bring it in the front right side like you would drape a Gujarati style sari. Next, take the dupatta and start tucking its one end right where your belly button starts. Drape it around, making sure that you're taking it under the pleated pallu because we want the pallu to be on the top. Then tuck this dupatta on the left shoulder like you would drape any sari. Coming on to the last step. Pleat the rest of the sari and tuck it in at the center of the belly button. Adjust the pallu on your left and you're done. Make sure you pin both the right and the left pallu. This ensures that the sari stays put. I really love how this style is so contemporary, makes you look like you're wearing something designer. Make sure you pin both the shoulders so that you can enjoy the outfit and carry it like a pro. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you're enjoying the videos. Please leave your feedback and comments so that I can make my channel better. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.